The word approach is very useful. It means a way to deal with a problem or task. Let's learn how to use it well. Approach means a way or method of doing something. It can also mean to come near or closer in distance or time. A common mistake is to use approach only as a verb meaning to come close. Remember, it also means how you handle or think about something. We say approach a problem, approach a person, or a new approach to learning. You can also say to approach someone to mean to talk to them. I have a new approach to studying for exams. The car approached the stop sign slowly. She decided to approach her teacher with her question. We need to approach this project carefully. Maria was nervous to ask for help. She decided to change her approach and simply say, "Can you help me?" That made all of the difference. Think of approach like walking towards something or a new way to get close to a problem. Approach sounds like up and roach. Imagine roaches coming up to you. Remember, approach is both how we come near and how we deal with things. Try using it today.